Hello, my name is Scott Kutcher. I'm with France Lighting Solutions, and this is your week's Minute to Win It. So let's talk about another situation I ran into while I was on the road, and that was pin lighting. What's pin lighting? So you're doing a colored sign, say red faces on a channel letter, and you're putting red LEDs behind it. And you see all those little dots everywhere. That's pin lighting. They look like sparkly, stars or whatever, like my son would say. So you see them, they don't look good, and you got to fix it. Why are they happening? So they're happening for several reasons. One of them is that you've put an LED behind the face that actually is too bright. We can go too bright, and we'll get into that in another, minute to win it. So it's too bright. The lens set probably isn't good enough. Probably a combination of those two. And the face material can definitely play a factor. So as I'm talking to them, I said, do you have any LEDs that are less wattages? So the one they were using was like a 1 watt, and it was pretty high. So I'm looking at it going, wow, that's super bright. I think that's part of the issue. Do you have a lesser wattage version of that product? Well, they didn't. I happen to have our new red product in my bag, and I said, is it okay if I throw mine in there? So we threw it in there, and sure as anything, it's a 0.72 watt, lit up beautifully, nice glow to it, and there was no pin lighting. So be aware that no matter whose you use, ours, whose ever, you want to make sure that you don't have them too bright, and you can go too bright, that you have a nice lens set on it. And just because this is a 170 degree, again, we talked about light distribution, doesn't mean it's pushing that to the face properly. So do your testing. Once again, testing is key. Or call someone like me and I'll be glad to come in and show you how to test it properly so you can have the right product for the application. So that is this week's Minute to Win It.